Welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon30. As usual, let's try to see Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, maybe, right? If we get a good time. Otherwise, if you people like only the Bitcoins, we'll focus on Bitcoin only. All right, guys. Hope everyone's doing good, guys? All right. So just a second. All right. We wait for a few minutes and we go. All right, guys. Okay. So hope you are making some dollars or losing some dollars, guys, right? Okay. I'm back. Nothing much to worry, guys. Okay. So let's try to analyze over here what's happening with the Bitcoin. All right, guys. So most probably, okay, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, guys. Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Hope everyone's doing good. All right. Hope everyone's doing good. All right. Okay. So yesterday we were looking at this point before we jump into the buy or sell position or like anything analysis today. All right. So yesterday we are looking for the shots in this level. All right. Firstly, I told all the people not to buy in these levels, right? Later on, it came down past the retest. Then only the buy position was there. All right, above this level, right? So I didn't take that one, but in fact, I took one small short position from here as well, right? Hi, Designer Hub. Hi, I was waiting for you, brother. All right. Ivan. All right. Hope everyone's doing good, guys. Okay. So what we see, guys, okay, over here, let's try to analyze in a bigger time frame what's happening with the Bitcoin firstly. All right. So that was yesterday, right? So we planned for the shots and we took almost 1%, 0.96 percentage on a downside. Then the price later on, it went up. Okay. So yesterday I was planning shots with my people in the VIP groups. All right, from this level, a little bit upper side, but that was it couldn't hit my limit entry. That was on upper side. Okay, so most probably, okay, guys, if you happen to check on this trend, all right, what we every day I'm informing you all about this one, right, guys? Okay, so we have been in this trend, right? We have been in this trend previously, okay, and later on it tried to make another trend. All right, in this retest phase, right, again another trend was seen over here. Again the market again tried to make small third level of retest. Okay, so this level. So what I feel is shots are coming in soon. All right, but the one liquidation is left before we drop down. So price must will take out all the people who have shots from here, right, guys? So that must be one plan for the Bitcoins right now. All right, so market is about to get up downside give about to for me, okay, especially for me, it is about to give a downside move. All right, before that one, maybe the price would love to take out all the liquidations shots position from the top, then plan for the downside. Okay, so that will be our plan. All right, so maybe directly going from up from here to this level, maybe trying to touch this yellow zone once more and give the breakdown towards the downside. Okay, so we are in the level whereby we have Bitcoin now really needs to decide whether the retest is confirmed or not. All right, so over here we are in this level. Okay, right now this is the third level of retest that the Bitcoin is doing. 1, 2, 3. All right, third level which the Bitcoin have broken down already, which means shorters are coming soon, guys. Long USD today against JPY. All right, okay, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, okay, to not miss my videos from Monday to Friday sessions, my analysis. All right, so last time we have broken down from this level already, which was retested again and again. All right, just again, let me make it silent, right, guys? Okay, so retest was done again and again in this level. All right, we broke down, retest 1 done, 2 done. All right, now on the third retest, this is giving a short move. All right, guys, this is a level whereby people go for the lots of shots. All right, in fact, on a 4 hours time frame, one FPG is left one more time in this level, which needs to be cleared before we go all the way towards the downside, maybe, right, guys? Okay, So maybe that can range the price once more on upper side before it drops down all the way towards downside. Okay, plan is for a bigger time frame. It is planning for the short positions, guys. For me, all right, this is what I'm understanding right now. All right, so we have already broken down. All right, we have been broken down, and we are retesting this level once more. All right, so people would have already opened a short position from here. Those who are planning for the shots on a downside, their first move, their first target for the shots will be in this zone, guys. First target is 76,000 for them, and if it continues, all right, if it continues, then it might range 1 to 3 once more to 71 to $73,000. All right, this can be seen in the charts, guys. How's everyone? Hi Lee, good morning. Good. Hi Lucky Lee. Hey, Desire Hut, everyone. Hi, Aiden. Hey guys. Hey. All right, understand this carefully, guys. Okay, understanding the market is more important than you getting the setup on, guys. So that if you understand once, later on it will be helpful for you all. All right. Okay. So we have been breaking this trend. Let me resume in a short now. In a bigger time frame, 4 hours time frame, we have broken down. This was retested, again broken down, and this is the third time it is breaking down, which means creating a short position. But before it comes down for the shorts, there is a high chances it goes up and remove the people who have shorts already from this level and drop you all the way towards the downside. Okay, first level will be this one, second level will be this one. In fact, okay, in fact, rather than coming down, okay, from this maximum, this level, if the price happens to go up and never returns down, then you will see a real bull cycle on upper phase joining this one on upper side. Okay guys, so this level directly going to make another trend in this level, and which will push an upper side. Okay guys, so right now the Bitcoin is at very critical level. Try to understand, guys. Okay, it is creating a short move. All right, but the move is for the shorts. All right, but before it goes down all the way, it needs to take the liquidations from the top. All right, we need to liquidate the people who have the shorts, then only it might like to give you all the short position. All right, let me delete this one since this looks messy for you all. All right, so let's come back to this levels. All right, we have already broken down from the recent support that we have and retested. Okay, again retested, again we are at the retest level for the shots. All right, on a downside move. All right, if it happens to give a move on a downside, then Bitcoin will maybe face a big crash in the coming days. That is going to be around till 71,000 or 73,000. That can be expected, guys. All right, nothing financial advice, in fact. All right, nothing financial advice, but this is for the education purpose only. All right guys, so let's get back to this level once more. All right, so we are, this level is so critical, guys. Once more I'm saying it, this level is so critical right now. It is breaking down. Bitcoin have been breaking down for the shorts, creating a short move. All right, but before we move for the shorts, it might like to take the liquidation from the top. All right, of this W pattern, maybe double top pattern. All right, needs to take out the people from the top. All right, for that reason, we need to go back to the upper level once more. There is a high chances, there is a chances that Bitcoin goes to again one more move on the upper side that can be till this average level. This is what I'm expecting right now. So wherever it hits this average point, maybe if it hits very late, it might like to range towards all the way towards the upper side as well. All right, but so from where it is moving on upper side, that is the question for us. All right, for the long holders, okay, this is firstly for the long holders. We'll go back to the scalpers. All right, from where it is moving on the upper side, that is must. Okay, anyone knows where the price is going, but from where it is moving, right, the exact point for us to get the entry, right, this is very important, guys. All right, so so let's see. Okay, let's see. This is the level whereby Bitcoin needs to hit once more. All right. Okay, so let me mark this one for now. All right. If it goes immediately, that can be only this level. All right. If it is straight up, All right, so that can be only 82,000, right, guys? Okay, so let's see from where it is planning on upper side. Okay, so most probably I would love to at least take out this people, okay, before we go all the way towards the downside. Okay, right now it is at the critical level. Market is, Bitcoin is at the base of the support that we have. All right, the breakout points. All right, retesting on a downside. Okay, guys, let me delete this one as well. Let's get back to the business now. All right, so let's get back. Will you think this is going to be making a sideways? Actually, I was looking for a down position, a short position directly, but what clicked on my mind is once this move was formed in this level on 15 minutes time frame, if I see it, so this is trying to create a sideways move in this level. Maybe Bitcoin would make one sideways before it try to move on one directions. All right, guys, so this is the level we have at the top, and this is the level we have at the bottom. All right, guys, so this is the level. So maybe it would like to squeeze the price in the middle before it moves in one directions. All right, guys, this is what I'm thinking. Okay, so we never know. It may not make the sideways as well, but before it moves in one direction, I'm expecting price to form one sideways in this level and maybe giving you all the big drops from here as well. All right, from here or from here, from there, right, guys? So that can be expected. So yesterday I was looking for one FPG in this move. All right, so on 1 hour's one, right? So we have left one FPG in this level, whereby the price needs to play once more in this level. Okay, this is bringing me to the back side again for the long side. Okay, so if it happens to make us long side, we are at the support levels, right? We are at the support levels, and if we try to aim for these levels, right? So that can be one valid trade for us. All right, guys. Okay, coming back from this level or the upper levels. All right, guys, this can be, so most probably today I'll be looking for this position. All right, so market going back to this level. All right, $83,200, $300, right? This is what I'm expecting right now. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. For those who are looking for the immediate trade, that's also coming in. Okay, so nothing much to worry. All right, guys. Okay, so when the New York sessions opens, right, guys, I'm expecting price to give a small wink on a downside and grab it towards the $82,330, which we have been doing, which the market have been doing recently for 3 days. All right, opened price, boom, opened price, New York opened, boom. Okay, so this is the third move. Let's see whether it gives us or not. All right, so I'm aggressively waiting for one position from this level on upper side. Okay, guys, so most probably I'll be trying to long from the downside moves once we get check out the people who have long from here, right, guys? So most probably I'll be looking for a long term, not a very long term intraday. All right, so this is the level I'm looking forward to go for with a small stop loss. All right, in these levels. All right, I'm going to take risks and big rewards I'm going to plan today. All right, guys. Okay, nothing financial advice, but make your own research. This is only for the education purpose, right, guys? Okay, so this is the level whereby once it can get rejection, but most probably I think people, this is going to be your 1 TP. All right, so in this level, okay, this is going to be your 1 TP and the final TP over here. Maybe if it pushes upper side, then you might like to see the price moving in a little bit upper side, all right, as well. But most probably I'm concentrating on the long positions right now, though we are breaking down from this level, all right, which is at the retest phase. Okay, faking out the shots. All right, I'm going up. I'm trying to look for today. All right, so let's get back to the business. All right, guys. Okay, so recent one, we have a recent downfall from this level. All right, whereby the Bitcoin is not able to yet break out from this trend that we have from the up till to the downside. Okay, guys. Okay. So we are not able to break out from there. All right. If it gives a one breakout, that is a confirmation for me later on coming down and buying one positions. All right. If it keeps giving me one breakout on upper side, okay, right now it have not given any breakout. My long position is not confirmed. All right. Right. So most probably I will be expecting a little bit upper side and breaking out this levels once more. All right. So yep, over there, breaking out and getting a rejection from this level once more. All right. Getting back, getting a rejection from there once more and coming down to this level. And I'm waiting for this position. Okay. Meanwhile, for the shots, for the let's get back to the 5 minutes time frame to find out the positions for the scalpers. All right, those who love scalping. All right, okay, so it is not able to break out from here as well, but recently we see in the downside move or short time frame, this is breaking out from this level. All right, which is this level, which means the price might like to give a small for a short time frame on the upper side. Coachella. Okay. So if you are planning for the liquidity and a downside moves, you might like to get one short position from this level. All right. In fact, all right, one short position if the price happens to move in this directions. All right. When the New York sessions open, firstly, all right, firstly, then coming down to this level, all right, and we are going to plan one long position towards the upper side. Okay, in fact, if we get a breakout in this zone, if we don't get a breakouts, if it's not able to break out on upper side, then this plan will be invalid. All right, guys. Okay, so far I suffer from shorts paralysis. My longs to short ratio is like 9:1. All right, let's go. All right, luckily I then. All right, okay, Lux today movement. All right, so I have given you all the informations. All right, in fact, okay, so this is the information that I have for you all for today. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, so for the scalpers also, nothing much to worry. All right, so you will get the position soon. All right, so I'm looking for the last night shot. All right, yeah, last night shots, this one. Okay, I have given in the VIP groups for the people who are watching in the VIP groups, right? In fact, and there was a move that I caught from this top till this level. So whenever I'm planning, I'm trying to catch you all the tip, the top, so that sometimes it gets risky and try to bleach your stop loss as well. But if you are planning for the strong, confident trade, you must wait once it gets breakout and come up. Then you wait for this move, okay, from here going on upper side. All right, if you are looking for the confident one. All right, but if you want to take risks, guys, this can be one level whereby risk always comes with the rewards. All right, you will be tracing 0.49 percentage extra from the downside move, 0.49 to 0.5 percentage almost, right, guys? Okay. Let's see what happens over here. All right, guys, this is what I'm looking at, but whatever I'm saying is not, I don't mean that everything is correct. Make your own research, guys, before you move in. All right, so that you guys are not bashed off, right, guys? Okay, so yesterday I came with the one scalping program for the downside only. Today I try to add one extra move for you all right, in this level. This is the one. All right, so if you are careful, if you are able to get it, that is well and good. All right, guys. Okay. Let's see what happens, guys. All right. So in fact, one more analysis over here, one more extra information for you all. In fact, if it happens to break out from this level, it never fall back. If it keeps playing in this zone, all right, more and more, right, and it breaks out from the upper side from here only, okay, that can be also one long position. But I'm expecting price before it moves up, try to liquidate on the downside. Firstly, try to take out all the longs that we have and move on upper side when the new York sessions opens, right after 30 minutes or more than that, right? So that can be one position as well. But most probably I'm expecting if it happens to give a retest and pass the retest from here only, then that can be a good position for you all on the upper side, okay? But in fact, if it happens to get a rejection, then it is a downside move till this level, then we will plan my long position from here. All right, so let's see guys what happens, okay? So nothing as financial advice. All right. This is only for the education purpose. Okay. Later on, don't blame me if you fail it, right? But I'm also here doing the same thing. I think we'll go down to 80,000, 82,000, 80,000, 200. Yeah. I'm also thinking that way before we move up on the upper side. Okay. After getting a breakout. In fact, if it never happens to break out from this trend from here, my long position will be invalid from the downside. Okay, guys, my long position will be invalid. Okay, so just be careful. Let's wait, guys, patiently. Let's get back to the 1 minute time frames. Let's see what's happening in this 1 minute time frame. All right. So that it will help you all for the scalping sessions as well. All right, guys. So that was a rock bottom that it did it. Okay. Okay, no good structure formed in these levels, right? Market is trying to form a small direct moves right now. All right. So we are tracing this one. All right. So let's count 1, 2, one more move left. Let it break out from this level. All right, this trend should be broken out. Then that will be confident long for a short long from the downside moves. All right. In fact, you will be getting good profits from here as well. All right. Let's wait. Have patience, guys. Have patience. Those who are waiting, have patience, right? Understand the market first, then you try to plan your analysis, right, guys? So that you guys won't get bashed off, right, guys? Okay. Let's see, guys, what happens, right? One hour, it goes back into the candles range. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Hey, Shivan. How are you, Shivan? Hi, brother. Welcome. Can I buy BTC trade now, boss? No, I don't have any buy position right now. Later on, once it gets back to the downside after liquidity, then only I can plan one. In case if it is not breaking out right now, I cannot plan long from here. It needs to break out from this trend, then only I can plan my longs from here. All right. After analyzing it. All right. Shivan, hi, Lakshmi, hi, please gold check, sir. All right, I'm checking on gold as well. All right. Shivan, only entertainment, hi. Adin, hello guys. Lakshmi, hi. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Right, guys? Okay. So the plan is very simple. Okay, go back, break it out this levels, come back in this level. If you get a buy setup from here, I'm taking risks from here. If you are looking for confidence, you plan from this levels, right, and try to bash up on the upper side. All right. But in fact, if it is not able to break out from here, then its long side will be invalid. All right, for the short, resume. All right, I'm resuming it. So one for the scalpers, this can be when the New York sessions open. So you might like to get one short position from here towards the downside. That can be one short position for you all. All right. So meanwhile, we'll keep breaking these levels. All right. And one extra thing is that what I have told you, if it breaks out on upper side and retest gets passed over here only, then we can also plan a one long position from the upper side towards the upper side, which can go till this level. All right. Or this level. All right. So if it happens to go directly from here, this will be the only the maximum target that you have. All right. If you take the liquidation, if you go with the liquidation from the downside, this can be your target that you might get it. All right, let's get back to the gold. Right, guys, it's been so long that we haven't checked on the gold. All right, so yep, gold. All right. Mm. Gold. Gold. Let's see, gold. Gold. So exactly, this is what I mean on the BT as well. All right, guys, this is right now it's showing on a gold. Okay, so come back. All right, so keep breaking out. When it goes towards the downside, take the liquidation from the downside. Then I'm going to plan my longs for the BT. Right, it's exactly same thing. All right. So right now on the BT, you are at this level. All right. So not able to break out on upper side or not. All right. So this level or this level, right? These two levels, you are in this zone right now on the BT. All right. If it keeps breaking it, okay, I'm going to plan my long from here. All right, just take it the position upper side. Okay, so gold. This was the maximum level the gold could hit it. That is $4,745. Right. So gold, guys, gold. Gold seems to be pumping more. One more pump is left on a gold. All right. $4,827 might be seen. All right, the gold firstly. Let's get back to the 1 hour time frame and check it out. All right. Gold must be hitting this level soon. All right. 4,900 maybe. Right. Guys, this level, maybe the gold is hitting soon. All right. So for now, let me delete this trend that you have. All right. Gold is right at this support. Okay. So one more pump. If the Bitcoin gold happens to pass above this level, just passing this level will give you all the long position on upper side. Okay. As soon as it passes this upper side, that is a retest getting confirmed. All right. Broke out from the recent support that you have 1, 2. All right. So if it happens to break out on upper side, then you might like to get one long position on the gold. All right, on the upper side. Maybe first this one, scalping 1.3 percentage. All right. But in fact, if it happens to get rejection rather than getting a, if it happens to get rejection right now, the immediate recent, it is confusing the people right now. All right. So it have broken down from the immediate support that it have. So it needs to retest it once more. If you are planning for the shots, all right, if you are planning for the shots, you wait for here the price to come down, all right, once it goes up, all right, if you're planning for short, don't plan short from here only, all right. So once, okay, if you're planning for the shorts on gold, okay, once if the price happens to go up and get rejection from the top rather than breaking out on the upper side, then only you can plan for the shorts from this level and come down. All right, this can be one position for the gold. Okay, in fact, if it is not able to break out on upper side, okay, usually this third level gets picked out lots of time. All right, so if it happens to get a rejection from the top, top, you might like to see a gold dropping a bit. Okay, so accordingly you plan your position. All right, but in fact, if the position happens to, if the gold happens to pass through upper side after giving a small breakout, maybe if you are scalping, okay, you might like to buy a little bit upper side so that you won't get stressed with your swap candles when the market was when the market is like faking you out in this level. Okay, if you get faked out, you won't get trapped over there. All right, so plan a little bit upper side. Okay, so you will get 1% from the upper side. Okay, once you'll see the structures over here formation. Okay, so let's see what happens for the gold as well in this level. If it gets rejection from here, you might like to, the market needs to go back once more. Okay, once more and see whether it is breaking down or not. All right, so that can be on a gold, okay, for the short positions. If it happens to pass above this level, then you can go for the long positions. All right, so maybe around 4,747 above that levels, you might like to see the good scalping on the upper side. That might trace you all the way towards the upper side. Okay, so 1.53 percentage left. But in fact, if it gets, you wait for this structure to be formed. All right, don't enter over here, you wait. If it goes, let it go. Right, let it go. Just wait for this level of structure, go back, try to get rejection, then only you can wait for the price to come down below this level. You can plan one short position from here. All right, for the gold. But in fact, if it happens to get a good pump on a scalping move on upper side from here, you will see from here on the structure formation, you need to be very careful in these levels on a 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. So most probably if you're looking for the scalpings, all right, scalpings, okay, so gold is dropping right now. Okay, it will drop a little bit downside, it will take the liquidation from the down. Okay, so this liquidations will be taken out, then after that one, this liquidations will be taken out firstly. Okay, little bit drop. Okay, so there is a liquidation level. This will give the hope for the shorts. All right, so people will start entering for the shorts. That time the price will go up. Okay, go up and test this level once more. All right, guys, so one liquidation level is left in the 15 minutes time frame. If you happens to go back to the 5 minutes time frame, you will clearly see exactly what I'm saying on the BT as well. All right, so wait for the price to, it have already broken out. Okay, broken out on upper side from this trend. All right, it have already broken out. So firstly, it might like to trace till this level, then one good scalping on a long side can be traced from here. All right, once you get these setups. All right, so this level or a little bit down, that can be as well. All right, so you might like to get a immediate scalping till this levels. All right, guys, this can be one gold. Nothing financial advice, guys. This is for the education purpose only. Don't take it as financial advice and get bashed off later on. All right, please. Okay, Lakshmi, I check it for you. Hi, from which country live streaming? This is from Bhutan, brother. Shashu, hi, SS Shu. All right. This is from Bhutan, Dragon from Bhutan. For you all streaming, try to understand the market. All right. So right now it is already, why you are looking for the long position on a gold for the scalping is because it have already broken out on the upper side. Okay, now you are retesting this level. Once it comes for the retest, if you are planning for the confident one, you wait for the price to come up above this level quickly, you'll get one scalping on upper side. Okay, so maybe this can be your target. 0.8% will be trust on upper side, guys. Okay, for the gold. Okay, if you are planning your, don't directly buy once it goes up. All right, it needs to come down, it will swap it, the liquidity, after liquidity it is always better for you. Okay, always better. Okay, the price pumps is very good and you will get within short time period. All right, so expect the price to play around in this level and come down to this level. Okay, and liquidate this two people, this two, not two people, those who have longs from here. All right, so try to come to till the over here, and this will be a risky one, but risk always comes with the rewards. All right, so you'll be tracing 0.47% as well, and this will be your target. All right, so accordingly plan for the gold as well. All right, guys. Okay, so it is breaking out already on upper side. Okay, you wait for the price to come down. Okay, once more, check the liquidation, then only you can plan. Okay, if it wants to move directly up, let it go. All right, or you can plan it once it gets confirmed. All right, but most of the time after liquidation, it is always better for you all to go for the long side. All right, or the downside, so that you get a quick moves and it gives you more confidence, guys. All right, beautiful explanation. Okay, Prashanjit. All right, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, thank you so much. For BT as well, same. Let it break out from the upper level first. Okay, let it break out this level, then I will wait for the short long position from the little bit downside. Okay, guys, downside once it breaks out. But in case if it happens to give aggressive breakouts and pass the retest from here only, I can plan my long from here also. But most probably I will be confident once it gets back to this level, it will be confident for me to go for the longs and I can get a very good targets. If it happens to go directly from here, you will get only $81,763 maybe, right? But if it happens to take the liquidation, your TPs will be more, all right? So huge profits. Okay, this is the analysis for my VIP peoples. I'm explaining to you all, giving you all free. Okay, guys, those who are interested, those who are serious about trading, those who are serious about generating income from trading, right? Not for the gambling, but if you try to understand the market. All right. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session. Okay, the scalping is also coming for you all right? So hold a bit, okay? Let it get a rejection from the top, then you might like to get a small scalping once it get confirmations towards the downside, okay? Okay, let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Okay, don't get faked out and don't you see a green candle? Don't buy that one. All right, that is just just a trap for you all, guys. Okay, that can be a trap for you all. All right, let it go back. You'll get one scalping from towards the downside from this level most probably. All right, let it break out as well. If it breaks out, we wait for the price to come down. Okay, then you scalp from this level and you will try to trace this 0.7 percentage move. All right, on a downside. All right, guys. Okay. Hello, how are you? Hi. Hey guys, hello, hello, hi, hi. So which time frame are you live on? This is right now. I'm looking for the scalping for the those who requires immediate trade. All right. So most probably after this levels getting rejection, you'll get a one trade for those who are holding a bit long, right? So let's see, anyways, guys. Okay. So most probably I will be in the live to see all those moves, right? So New York session is about to start, all right? So we will wait for that one and we'll try to see the moves, right, guys? I'm from India, all right? Good to know that. Which part of India are you from? Laksh, Laksh, Ide-san, hi, hi. Adi-san, hello, hello, guys, hello. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, guys? Wait, guys, patience, okay? Don't hurry, you'll get lots of opportunities. Okay, wait, patience. So most probably this will try to fake out in this zone. Don't get trapped for the longs, guys, okay? So it might give you the breakout from this level as well on the upper side, okay? It may not directly drop down. Don't get faked out with this that levels, right, guys? So over here, it might like to give you all the breakout as well, and you'll start thinking for the longs since it have given a breakout, but you wait for the confirmation. You wait for the confirmation, then only you can plan it. All right. Otherwise, you might get bashed off. Quick one, you buy over here, Okay, in this zone, as soon as it reaches certain level, swipe you down all the way towards downside. That can be also possible. Just be careful. All right, guys. Just be careful. Don't hurry. Okay, don't hurry until and unless you have your own setup. Okay, that's well and good. All right. But if you don't have your setups, don't hurry. Okay. So nothing financial advice. Okay, this is only for the education purpose to understand you. Okay. So whatever I'm experiencing it, I'm sharing with you all without hiding anything. All right, guys. I'm over here. So let's see what happens, guys, right? Okay, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Are you from Tamil Nadu? Wow. That's good to know that, brother. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Welcome. Okay, wait, patience, patience, patience. All right. Only thing that is going to pay you off is your patience, guys. You always need to have your patience. Okay? You always need to have your patience. Only the patience will pay you. Your setup is not going to pay you. Only the patient will pay you. You have the setup, but you don't know how to operate it within your setup. That's nothing. All right. Sometimes SL will be gone, sometimes TP will be heated. All right. This is the way of this, way of the traders, guys. Okay? Way of the trader, life of a trader, TP SLS. But when you hit your SL, you should be happy, guys. You should be happy. All right. When you are hitting your TPs, you should be also happy. No problem. Okay, this is every day this becomes this, every day you will experience this one. All right, one TP heated, very happy. Next, you invested a huge amount, bloom, gone. What's the use? I have recently uploaded one video, also shots for you all on YouTube. All right, so many people, makes dollars in the trading field. Only the mistake, only the weakness that the traders, all people have is just they don't know how to keep within themselves the money they have earned from the trading, right? Sometimes you may lose it, but lose it small. Come on, right? This is up to you. Manage your risks, okay, guys? Manage your risks accordingly. Hi, hi, hello, Logan Money. Hello, Prashit. Have you visited India, big bro? Hey, I have visited 16 state of India. I have been over there. So many, so many, so many states. Okay. I have been to Gujarat, Maharashtra. I have been to Assam. I have been to where? Banaras, which Bihar, Bihar, yeah, Bihar. I've been to so many, so many. All right, Delhi, right, Bangalore. Let me have this one, pan. All right. So it gives me energy to speak over here, energy to stay focused on the trading, guys. What to do? I have to take it. Don't mind it, guys. All right. All right, guys. Awesome. All right. So over here, those who are watching me for first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right. Patience, guys. Patience, patience. Build this thing called patience. Nothing can buy patience. You have $1 million, you cannot buy patience. Come on. You have to build it yourself. I can show you the setups, but you need to build your patience by yourself. Okay. On the scalping sessions, 1 minute time frame. Okay, it have broken down on downside already. Okay, that is confirming you for the shots. Just the retest and liquidity happening on the upper side. Okay, simple. Manage your risks well, everything is going to fine. Lakshmi, sir, I have 3 years experience, but I have small confusion. In pullback level, can you clarify it? I had lost move than 10 lakhs. Small confusion in pullback levels. Pullback, okay? Whenever you are looking for the pullback, simple, okay? So if you are looking for the shorts, this plan have already given you shorts, okay? Over here in this level. This is, people are thinking this is a bullseye. That is never a bullseye. I have been explaining this on small time frame. Bigger time frame also I was explaining. It have already broken down on downside, giving a short setup. All right. So people don't know where it is coming back. Okay, and the where it is. So which means that after this level is up, this level, whenever it happens to move up, usually it tries to get touch with this one previous support and get rejection once more. All right, that will be a retest. Okay, retest on the trend. Okay, so this from here it is confirmed that price is coming down for the short time frame. This is confirmed, but you don't know from where it is coming reversal. So what I say is, for my people, if you all don't know till where it is going up, why are you taking risks over there? Just wait for the price to come down below and just go for the shots, right? Okay, this is the one. And next thing is, I have few over here you may not understand also. I have few other things to look after to see exactly from where it is getting back. All right, where it is getting back. Okay, so we try to spot that. For example, I'm looking forward in the zone. All right, but over here also there are other factors exactly why, how, like from where it is coming back. Okay, that's the thing. So you don't know this reversal from where it is coming back from the reversal, right? You wait for the price to you for to avoid your confusion. If it comes back from this level, you short it, otherwise you don't, right? That's simple thing. Okay, if you are looking for the exact point and if you are tracing this level as well, this level, so you should be a little bit extra careful over there. All right, so usually, okay, I have other factors also. One thing, you always look into this level of breakout, because this is the level from where it have gone breakout, right? Check on the strength. Okay, wherever it hits the prices in this level. Sometimes it may not hit also, but most probably hitting this level will be exactly the point. Okay, exactly the point from where you should be getting a reversal. Okay, that's the thing. And I have other factors also. You may not understand when I explain over here. All right. But I have been sharing with my mentees as well. All right. I have few things, other things to look back. All right. From where exactly. But sometimes if you are planning on this rather than waiting for this one, this you're taking risks, you are taking extra risks, but risks always comes with a reward, guys. Risks always comes with a reward. Why? Because if you're waiting from here, okay, from directly down from here, once it get passed through, okay, that is a confident trade which is giving you 100, almost 70, 60 to 70% confirmed. Your retest was confirmed, right? But if you are taking from the top, okay, you are additionally getting 0.2% and on addition with this one, right? So this is the thing. Don't get FOMO, guys. Just wait. You see what I'll do over here. Okay, you'll know it. Because I have to practically show you, otherwise you won't understand it. One thing what you can do is count three moves on upper side. Okay, Your mark some level in green, that is consolidation or liquidity. Which one? Which green block are you talking about? This is the level whereby in a bigger time frame, this is the level whereby you are going for the shots. Okay, confirming the shots. If you have been watching me from the beginning, you will understand this one. All right. Over here, we have already broken down from this level. Okay. Retest it, retesting it. Okay. This is the level whereby you are going for the shots. Okay. Big holders, they don't want to trace it. Once the price is confirmed on the downside, they just short it from this level. Okay. Short it from this level. But if they want to be particular for the investment, then they need to wait for the liquidations. All right. After that only, we can plan for the shots. All right. This green level is just the level whereby the Bitcoin had broken down on a downside, making a bearish. Okay. This green level is a bearish level. Bearish level. Okay. Bearish level. This green level. This one is a FEG that you have left on a 4 hour time frame. Okay. There is 15 minutes FEG left on a upper side, $82,278. All right. Now you're focusing on the scalping right now. Small one, smaller one, smaller one, right? Broke down once more. Need to wait. Need to wait. Patience, guys, patience, patience, patience. Broke down once more on the downside, confirming the breakouts towards the one retest done for the downside moves. All right. It broke down from the recent. It was trying to create small candles, which make a small support from here. Again, this is breaking down. 2 times we tested, pass. Okay. There's one breakout. Okay. Retest, which was confirming on these levels. Okay. Downside moves. All right. Retest, retest. Wait, patience, guys, patience. I opened a long position on 81,021. 81,021. Okay, you are not incorrect, but uh, the position that you have looked for is not incorrect. What I mean to say is, but uh, the entry is not exactly over there, right? So entry was wow, without getting any fake out. New York sessions opens or what, guys? Without giving any fake out, it tries to drop over here. We're confirming one retest over here. So this was the level for you all to open the shots if you are looking for the confusion, right? What's happening, guys? What's happening? It left one incomplete structure on the upper side. What's happening? Nice. It didn't hit your entry over here, my entry over here. 0.05. 0.05. One gap is left. Market didn't try for the breaking out this level at once also right now. This was one level whereby market tried it, and over here it didn't want to try at all. That is risky for the longs. Okay, in fact. Just missed this position with small points over here. What's happening with the gold? I told you gold also coming down, right? So maybe it will take liquidation. Liquidation can be a little bit down also. Okay. So be careful over here. After liquidation, it might like to push the price towards the upper side. One gap is left by the Bitcoin in this level. Maybe news or liquidity wall. Yeah, maybe. One gap is left. If it happens to go up, my short position will be here then, right? If it happens to go up, because one gap is left for the Bitcoin right now. If it doesn't go still this over, till this level right now, which doesn't take out the liquidity, all right? But after liquidation, then I cannot short it. I cannot short after the liquidations. If it gives the liquidation and downside, firstly, without going up, I cannot short it later on from this level. Okay? But if it without giving the liquidation and downside, if it happens to go up, then I can still short it. Okay? Then I can still short it from this level and come down towards the zone. All right? I didn't hate Dragon since it didn't reach that top before coming down. Does it mean that upside won't be as strong? Upper side, it doesn't mean that one. But for now, it means that price is coming up again to test from this level. Okay? May not be right or right as well, but usually I understand like this. Okay, so this is one gap. Anytime the price will come to fill up this gap. Previously the gap was over here. All right, if it was directly going up, so it would have reached directly over here. Okay, but now gap is shifted on upper side. Okay, gap was shifted on the upper side. Gap is shifted on the upper side now because it didn't complete it. Okay, if it was directly going down and liquidating, no problem at all, we can directly go long from here. Okay, that gap will be later on it filled up and I won't be able to short it from here. Okay, since the gap wasn't filled immediately, it got a high rejection from here. Okay, which means that price will again play around before it goes for the liquidation. All right, maybe it will try to create the sideways, confuse the people. All right, and that can be something is happening, which means something is happening over there, which is market is not directly giving you all the positions. All right, trying to take out, confuse the people. All right, maybe something beautifully is happening over there. All right, anything beautifully is happening. Okay, something is there because usually it needs to go up and test from this level. All right, there's my trend line. All right, it needs to be tested. Let me show you with the yellow one, right? So it looks distinct, right? It should be tested that one. Okay, then should be coming down, but it never did that one. Rather it keeps directly pushed over here from here. Okay, Over here also, if you are looking for the big moves from the top side, okay, though this have given you all the setups, right? But the gap was left on the upper side, which means next time it will come and fill up that one, right? The gap, the structural gap was left on the trends. Should be going up. The price was should be going up and touching this one, but pressure was there from the seller side. The market couldn't fill up the gap. That couldn't take out the liquidations, those who have shot from here. All right. For this level especially, right? So couldn't all the sellers were expected over here, okay, without any liquidity, which means price is not moving very far. Okay, one day it will come and fill up that one. I don't know when. Okay, so that can be one reason. All right, let's see what it does. All right, liquidity can't be this much only. Liquidity is just moved. Just right now, it have planned for the shots. Okay, give a fake out for the shots, all right, and plan for the long, okay, went for the long. Let's see what it does, all right. Something is over there playing around, just be careful, guys, okay. Something is over there playing around. One liquidity should be given. It changes pace right now. The way it looks into the market changes structure a little bit. Rather than following it normal, it try to be a little bit fishy over here. All right, a little bit fishy. Breakout given confirming the retest. Risky trader. If you are waiting for the confident trade, you plan once it gets below this one only. Right, for the shots. Scalping. Okay, confident trade will come over here. Because this did the retest again past one. All right. If you are waiting for confident one, this one. Because you are tracing this one risky with the high rewards. All right. Risk with the high rewards, that's 0.37% extra for you all on the scalping sessions. Okay. See, I told you it was going up. It's going up. Okay. Not New York session opening next hour. All right. Interesting. All right. Maybe news. All right. Oh, makes sense. Okay. Hey, dragons. Okay. See, I told you it was going up. It's gone. Okay. Can we buy gold now? Gold? Gold is also playing fishy over here. It's not confirming yet. It haven't taken out the liquidations right now. Those swap longs from here. Actually, it should fake out the longs from here, drop down and go up. Let's see what it does. Okay. I'm not confident on a long from here. Breaking out. So if you are waiting for confident, why don't you wait after the liquidations? If it moves directly up, it may not be going all the way upper side, guys. Okay. And what? Some from certain points it will get a rejection and come back. Maybe that is possible. Gold, once it takes liquidation, then only I take the trades. Okay, for BT also same. All right. After taking the liquidation only, then I should take it. I will take it. Otherwise, I won't take this one. BT also on long. Okay. After liquidation only, I will confirm it. I get confident for moving very high. Otherwise, the moves will be lesser and lesser, small one. Let's wait to see what it does. This is not a bull run break, not a confirmation bulls yet, guys. Okay. Firstly, market tries to break out towards the downside. Okay, that is a retest for liquidation for those who are having short over here. They are just trying to take out that one only. All right. This is just trying to take out that one only, the shorts. All right. The bull ones get confirms. Once it passes through downside, pass the retest, then only it will confirm. Okay. Patience, guys, patience. Drop cannot be only this much. Liquidations. Again, gap, creating a gap, one more gap. Again, it will play around. Gap is left again. Good night. Hello, Shivan. Good night. I'm off. All right. Good night. Good night, Shivan. Take care. All right. I still we are going down to grab liquidations, Shivan. Okay. We're not far from it. Okay. I then. So what time frame you will come to live? Usually in this sessions I come back on a live. Okay. Usually, usually in the sessions I come back on a live. Okay.